In this video, let's take a look at the way that you fix Instagram stories not posting. Now, if you're having issues with posting your Instagram stories, let me show you a couple of fixes that you can try out. The first things first, make sure that your internet connection is completely working. If it is not, make sure that you sort that out. If this is not the issue with you, the second thing that you can do is try force quitting and restarting your application. If you're using an Android device, you can just tap and hold the app of Instagram, head over to app info, and if you scroll down, you'll see the option called clear data. Now, if you don't straight away see the option of force stop, you can also tap on the clear data option as well as the clear cache options. What this will do is log you out of your Instagram account and you'll need to log in back. The other thing that you can also do is try to update the app of Instagram. Sometimes having glitches will also make you face these issues, so make sure you have the updated version of your Instagram application. That's all for this video. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.